In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out in Microsoft Word. Whether you're drafting your next masterpiece, compiling a report, or simply navigating through a document, having control over your view can significantly enhance your productivity and ease your workflow. By the end of this tutorial, adjusting your document zoom level will be a breeze, allowing you to better manage your workspace within Microsoft Word. First things first, let's get Microsoft Word open on your computer. Begin by locating the Windows Start menu. You'll find it at the bottom left corner of your screen, symbolized by the Windows icon. A single click here reveals a plethora of applications and settings. At this point, what you're interested in is the search bar. Here you're going to type in Word. As you start typing, you'll notice that the system begins to suggest applications based on the letters you've input. From the displayed results, you'll want to click on Microsoft Word. This action will launch the application, bringing you one step closer to mastering Zoom control. Once Microsoft Word opens, you're greeted with its home view. This is where you can start a new document or open an existing one. For the purpose of this instruction, clicking on either a blank document or any recent document you've been working on will work just fine. After opening a document, you're now positioned to adjust the zoom level to your preference. This is where the real magic happens. To zoom out, you're going to use a simple keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, press and hold the Ctrl key, followed by pressing the key. This keyboard shortcut is a quick and effective way to zoom out of your document, providing a wider view of your content. It's particularly useful when you want to see more of your document on the screen at once for better navigation, or to assess the layout and formatting. It's important to mention that the extent of the zoom out effect is proportional to the number of times you press the key while holding down the Ctrl key. Each press zooms out a bit more, allowing you to get just the right view. This flexibility is great for when you need to switch between detailed editing and a broader overview of your document. For those who might find the keyboard shortcut cumbersome, or are working on devices where the keyboard commands differ, another way to adjust the zoom is through the zoom slider located at the bottom right corner of the Microsoft Word window. Here you can manually drag the slider left or right to decrease or increase the view size respectively. This method provides a visual cue to your adjustments, making it a viable alternative to the keyboard shortcut. Before wrapping up, a quick pro tip is to familiarize yourself with the Ctrl key and scroll wheel method. If you have a mouse with a scroll wheel, pressing and holding the Ctrl key while scrolling the wheel down will also zoom out your document. This method offers a more nuanced control over the zoom level, catering to those who prefer gradual adjustments. Remember, mastering these simple tricks not only improves your efficiency, but also enhances your overall experience while working in Microsoft Word. Whether it's drafting detailed reports, crafting your next novel, or managing big data sheets, having control over how you view your document can significantly impact your productivity. To recap, today we learned how to zoom out in Microsoft Word by using the Ctrl and keyboard shortcut. We also discussed alternative methods of adjusting the zoom level for those looking for different ways to achieve the same outcome. Understanding and utilizing these simple functions ensure that your workflow remains uninterrupted and that you can better manage the content on your screen. It's all about making your document work for you, not the other way around. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. So feel free to open up a document now and try adjusting the zoom levels using the methods we've covered today. It's a small but mighty skill that will serve you well in your Microsoft Word endeavors. Thank you for joining me in today's video. I hope you found these instructions helpful and easy to follow. Happy writing, editing, and zooming out.